In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the Necrolei Cyst here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you need the Necrolei Cyst to craft strong acid. However, before we even get into this, you need to make sure that you do have the multi-tool. I also would recommend bringing the wave maker, fins, an oxygen tank, air bladder, and some flares. Now, we're using the life pod right here as our point of interest, but you need to simply start at the life pod and look north. So go ahead and look north, and what you need to do is head about 280 meters north, and it's only going to be 40 meters down, so it's not too deep. So go ahead and head that direction right now, and it is a little dark outside right now, so just keep that in mind. It's a little bit easier to see these guys when it is light out, but you're going to see this little like wreckage right here, and of course right next to those wreckage is going to be the cyst right here. They do glow, and they are pretty obvious, I will say. And you just got to use your multi-tool to collect these cysts, and then of course, back away after grabbing them. That's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. If you guys had any questions, once again, ask their questions down in the comment section below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.